Bryce Canyon National Park.
Oh, hello, welcome.
I hope you're enjoying this park series. I'm going to take you through national parks over the next couple weeks. I'm hoping that you are going to appreciate them and connect with them and protect them and explore them too. This is the time to celebrate the national parks. Hashtag America250. We are on Parks of the West. Connect, protect, and explore. Ruby's Inn, all set up in this beautiful campground. My tent is right there. I'm gonna go load my stuff into it. Super easy dome tent. Let's see what it looks like. Camping, living, sleeping on the ground. Behind me, I am surrounded by this ancient rock forest. So what we are on over here is actually the Rim Trail. And you can see that this trail goes around to the sunset. A few other hikes down there I want to do on the trails are the Navajo Trail, as well as the Queen's Garden Trail. But that'll be another day because the sun is setting. It's gonna get really cold and dark down there. The light is changing as the clouds are moving, and you can see from some of the videos that the Hoodoos are actually showing their true colors. This is the haunted glory. The giant forest of stone at its finest. Look at the lighting is absolutely gorgeous. The way it's hitting these Hoodoos and the shadows that are forming. Wow. I mean, when you look at this, it doesn't even look real, but it's absolutely unbelievably beautiful. So as mentioned, you can see there's a lot of slopes, slippery rocks, up and down. The terrain is quite uneven. So you definitely want to be mindful of where you're walking, how you're walking. I've already slipped once. You definitely don't want to slip close to the edge. If you look carefully, you'll see there's these little holes all along this tree. Thor's hammer. All right, making my descent down into the Queen's Garden. Head to Wall Street. So here we are in the actual Hoodoos. These things are millions and millions of years old. All natural. I want to go touch one, but if I touch one, I might get in trouble. But let's see if nobody's looking and I'll touch one.
Tell me where my hands are. I'm gonna grab it.
So incredible to see all of this lush green landscape. And then as I turn this way, you can see it's all a stone forest. Stone forest, green forest of trees. Could be Thor's hammer. Maybe it's over there. Walking the Queen's Garden Trail. Gotta be careful, very slippery. Lots of steep cliffs, as you can see. Obviously, look up, there could be falling rocks. You never know what's gonna happen. So here I am inside sandstone structures. Walk out carefully. Don't want to have any fallen rocks. Oh yeah, this is a hoodoo inside it. Really neat. Recommend it. Tunnel. Let's see where it takes us. Gotta get to the hoodoos. Gotta get to the hoodoos before they're gone. Ancient times. Let's do this. You can see the sun is trying to come out through the clouds. But what's really interesting, again, is the light that comes onto these hoodoos. It's glowing. It's unreal. It's beautiful. It's always nice getting lost in Bryce Canyon because it's easy to do. Lots of trails, lots of pathways. I don't mind. Queen Victoria is a wonderful hike. It's pretty easy, but again, be careful. Lots of slopes, lots of cliffs. Sun is shining. It's gonna get hot. Find the shady points inside these hoodoos as well as in the caves. Anywhere that you can find shade is a good thing. Look right here. You can see if there was water, it'd be running right through this valley here, or the canyon, and all the way down. See where it goes. But yeah, quite amazing how narrow this is. Just gonna walk through it and hopefully get to the other side. Let me show you more. So we got a bunch of ponderosa pines over here. We got some junipers, all kinds of vegetation. It's amazing. Queen Elizabeth Garden Trail. We are making our way to Wall Street. Maybe they got wolves on the Wall Street. So if you look carefully into that wall of hoodoos over there, you might see some actual faces. I personally see a face right there on the left, one in the middle, and one on the right. You see eyes, maybe you see some lips. There's spirits here for sure. You can ride on horseback up in the hoodoos. Just gets more and more beautiful every step you take. Deep in this canyon. Walking through Wall Street. Where's the wolves? So definitely want to hold on as you're walking up this area. So big trek up Wall Street, lots of slopes and switchbacks. So finally made it to the top. It's pretty awesome. Navajo Loop Trail. As you saw, connects to the Queen Elizabeth Garden Trail. So you should do them. Enjoy them. Get on a horse. Hello. Hi. You're pretty. You're a pretty girl. So yeah, I took a shower, got my tent set up. I'll give you an inside peek. So this is my tent. You see I got my African Maasai warrior blanket, my Tempur-Pedic pillow. I got my information, all my digital equipment, clothes. Really organized, really spacious, really nice. I'll be coming in soon for sleep. See you later.